Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit Instagram stories in Canva. So let's get us started. Begin by signing into your Canva account and selecting Create a Design. Choose Instagram story as your design type. You can either start with a pre-designed template or create your design from scratch. So I'm going to select a template for example. You can customize the design by adding your own text, images or backgrounds. You can also use filters and effects to give your story a unique look. To make your story more dynamic, add animations or GIFs. Canva allows you to animate certain elements. Okay, that's it. You can make any adjustments to perfect the design. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.